Parrots aren't just colorful birds. Some are smarter than a toddler. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 most intelligent parrots in the world, their abilities, and even how much they cost if you want one. The African gray parrot is widely regarded as the most intelligent parrot species. They can learn over 1,000 words, understand context, and even solve puzzles like young children. These parrots are excellent mimics, capable of imitating human speech with incredible clarity. They are emotionally sensitive and can bond deeply with their owners. African grays require mental stimulation, toys, and daily interaction to stay happy and healthy. Prices for a pet African gray parrot usually range from $1,500 to $3,500, depending on age and training. Blue and gold macaws are large, stunning birds known for their social intelligence. They can recognize human faces, respond emotionally, and learn complex tricks. These parrots love flying, playing, and interacting with their family members. Their bright colors and playful personalities make them popular among enthusiasts. The price for a blue and gold macaw ranges from $1,200 to $2,500, depending on breeder and age. Amazon parrots are excellent talkers with a natural talent for mimicry. They can imitate songs, household sounds, and human voices. Amazons are clever problem solvers and love interactive games. These parrots are also very social and thrive when given attention. Amazon parrots cost around $800 to $2,500, depending on species and age. Cockatoos are highly social and emotionally intelligent. They bond strongly with one person and can perform intricate tricks. Cockatoos also have expressive crests that communicate their moods. They require lots of attention and mental stimulation, or they may become depressed. The price for a cockatoo ranges from $800 to $3,000, depending on the species, age, and hand-feeding history. The Eclectus parrot is not only intelligent, but also calm and easy to train. They can identify colors, recognize objects, and mimic speech accurately. Eclectus parrots are highly social and form strong bonds with their owners. They thrive in a peaceful environment with regular interaction. Prices range from $1,000 to $3,000, depending on breeder and age. Indian ringneck parakeets are famous for their talking ability and quick learning. They enjoy learning new words and phrases and can repeat them with perfect timing. These parakeets are playful and curious, making them fun pets for experienced owners. The price of an Indian ringneck parakeet is usually $200 to $500. Senegal parrots may be small, but they are very clever. They excel at pattern recognition and mimic sounds, showing high intelligence for their size. These parrots are curious and playful, enjoying interactive toys. A pet Senegal parrot typically costs between $800 and $1,200. Quaker parrots are known for their adaptability and social intelligence. They quickly learn human routines, mimic sounds, and can even follow sequences of actions. Quakers are energetic and enjoy games with their owners. Prices usually range from $150 to $500, depending on age and hand feeding. Pioneer parrots are calm, intelligent birds that can solve simple problems and show emotional responses to their owners. They are quieter than other parrots, making them ideal for apartments. Pioneer parrots cost around $600 to $1,200. Caiques are energetic, playful, and very smart. They can perform complex tricks, mimic sounds, and display advanced social behavior. Caiques are known as clowns of the parrot world because of their playful antics. The price of a caique ranges from $1,500 to $3,000. If you love parrots and want to see more amazing bird videos, don't forget to subscribe to ChirpyNest.